Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to show you how we make vinyl banners, and don't forget that you can get your stuff from uscutter.com, or you can also follow the links in the description, and we're going to make a small commission if you get something through those links. Thank you so much. Okay guys, and here's the equipment that you're going to need. You're going to need a vinyl cutter. We have the Graphtec C6060, and the kind of vinyl we use is the Oracle 651 vinyl. And now let's weed out the vinyl. Just take your time. Sometimes the letter will come off, and all you gotta do is just place them back. And the kind of tape that we use is the R-Tape Clear Choice AT75. This is our favorite tape for the decals. And you need to put that on top of the vinyl to be able to transfer it to the banner. And we're gonna cut the banner accordingly to what the customer wanted it to be. And this is the type we get, the Bigfoot 13 ounces hemmed and grommeted banner. And I'll let you know a little secret in a minute. And this is how we add the vinyl on top of the banner. If you have a huge decal, just split it into several pieces, just like we did. I'll show you that in a second. And we're just going to use white tape to hold the decal against the banner, and you can split the decal just like that into, we split it into 3 different pieces, and it makes it so easy for you to apply it. We're gonna do dry application, and we're just gonna take our time. Try to avoid all the little bubbles. Okay, now let's get rid of the tape, and we're gonna prepare it for the second color. We're gonna use registration marks, and we add the registration marks directly on our software. And I'm working on a video where I'm gonna show you how to do that. And all we gotta do is just place the registration marks on top of each other. They gotta match perfectly, just like they did right now. And pretty much repeat the same process. Put the tape and then split it into several pieces, just like that, and take your time. Pretty much the same process that we use when we do the decals on the cars. Same vinyl, same tools and everything. Okay, now we can remove the tapes and the transfer tape as well, and as well as the registration mark. And this is the type of banner that we got, and as you can see, it doesn't have any eyelets, so we had to add them manually at the end, and it was such a pain. I do not recommend you do this. I'm gonna leave the link exactly to the banner that we should have got in the first place.
Perfect.
Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and share our videos if you could. And see you until the next time. Bye.